This video is all about stem and leaf diagrams. It goes with card D11, and we need to be able to both draw a stem and leaf diagram and interpret one that's already drawn for us. So, on your card, you have got this information, and we need to pop that into a stem and leaf diagram. Now, a stem and leaf diagram is split into two bits, either side of a line. Now, the left-hand side always has the tens digits of your numbers, and the right-hand side just has the units digits. So we need to check out what our smallest number is. So our smallest number is 3. That's got a tens digit of 0. And our biggest number is 24. And that's got a tens digit of 2. So we're going to go 0, 1 and 2. So they're my tens digits. Now on the right-hand side, I only write the units digits. And we could be asked to write an ordered stem and leaf diagram, so look out for that. If you're asked for an ordered stem and leaf diagram, then this side of the diagram must go in numerical order. So we'll do both. We could just pop the information in. So 24 has got a units digit of 4, 7's got a units digit of 7, 12 is 10 and 2, 17, 10 and 7, 23, 20, 19, 11, another 7, and 3, 20 is 2 and 0 again, 7 again, 16, 1 and 6, 9 and 14, 1 and 4. And I would always just do a double check. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 numbers there. And I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I've definitely got them all. So I could just leave it like that if I wanted to, or if it says an ordered stem and leaf diagram, I just need to go through again and put each line in order. So I've got 3, 7, 7, 7, 9 for my first row. I've got 1, 2, 4, 6, 7, 9 on my second row. And I've got 0, 0, 3, 4 on the bottom. So there's a not ordered one, there's an ordered one. Whichever version we're given, there is a mark for a key for writing how you interpret this diagram. So for telling me that if I saw a 1 line 9 in that diagram, that would mean 19. And that would be my key. If they're being nice, there'll be a box on the exam paper for you to draw it in. If they're not, you've just got to remember it and put it in on the end. So that's how we draw a stem and leaf diagram, tens and units. But we could also be given the diagram and note it's got a key, so they've done it right. So we could be given the diagram and asked to work out some information from it. So for example, I've got this stem and leaf diagram. We want to know what the mode would be. Now if you've forgotten the mode, the median, the range, go back to the averages video and have a little look at that for a reminder. But the mode is the most common, and we've got to look what the most common number in our diagram is. Now, really common mistake is to say, well, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 9s and there's 1, 2, 3, 4 2s, so it's 9 and 2. Not correct. Because that 2 there is 32, that 2 there is 42, and that 2 there is 52. So you've got to think really carefully about this one. Same thing, that 9 there is 39, but that 9 there is 49. So I've got to look for a row that's got lots of the same number in it. So there's 3 9s all in the same row there. There's no other row that's got 3 of the same number in it. So that number is the mode, but the mode is not 9. The mode is going to be 39, because that is what each of those 9s represent. Okay, then we're going to look at the median. Now the median is the middle value when your list is in order, and this list is in order already, so we don't need to worry about that. We just need to find the middle number. Now be careful, I would cross them off, but I'd do it really carefully. So cross off the first one and the last one, the next one and the next one, the next one, and make sure you go to this end of that row or you'll end up being in the wrong order. So 52, 49, 44, we're going in the right direction. That one and that one, that one and that one, that one and that one, and there is my median, the number in the middle, but it's not 2, it's 42, so be careful. So my median is 42. Finally, the range, the biggest value, take away the smallest value. Do not look at the numbers and say biggest is 9, smallest is 0, not correct. Remember, these numbers are in order. The smallest is 32, the biggest is 57. So I'm doing 57, take away 32, and I am getting 25 as my range. So it's just really important that you think carefully when you are interpreting one of these and remembering what each of the numbers in the table stands for. So now you've seen that, it's your turn. So here's some data. You draw yourself a stem and leaf diagram. Here's a stem and leaf diagram. You work out the mode, the median and the range, just like I just did. Press pause, give it a try, and when you want the answers, press play again.